Hello and welcome to WinAIR's Instruments. Today we will review our WinAIR accessories. WinAIR is WinAIR's low pressure differential gauge suited for all air applications. One of our main accessories is the air filter kit, utilized in air handling applications. The kit is simple to install. The static tips are inserted into the ventilation chamber to capture incoming air pressure and in turn connected to aluminum tubing to facilitate remote mounting. The tubes are then connected to three-way valves, which are connected to the WinAIR pressure gauge, indicating the differential pressure of the two inputs. For more information on WinAIR and all of its related accessories, please call 800 WinTERS or visit winters.com.